Hi everyone, it's Sandra from Midwest Charm. Today I have a thrift haul for y'all, and I am trying to remember, there's two hauls plus like remnants of my last haul sitting up here. I'm trying to remember what goes with what. So we're just gonna go. This is two different trips to Goodwill. My animals are being loud, I apologize. So let me go ahead and just start right away here. First up, we have a Rae Dunn mom mug. We bought another one not that long ago that said best mom ever. I don't know if you guys remember that one. It already sold. So those ones really sell well for us. I know other people have issues selling Rae Dunn. We don't. And I also picked up these little dash and pinch bowls, and we've had similar to those before, a little more like salt cellars size, and they've sold too. So I felt pretty safe picking them up. My hair is a mess, you guys. I'm so sorry. It is that time of year, you guys. I'm picking up all the cute bunnies. He just needs a good scrub down. And I can't remember, did I show you guys him in our last haul? I do not remember, but I am in love with him. His little tail, everything. He needs scrubbed up. He's got some good kitchen grease on him. But he's huge, first of all, but I love him. He will probably end up going in the window as soon as I get him cleaned up. And these little quail, they are like in a very pale gray. We sell these things left and right, no matter what color we've gotten them in. And if they've been icky-ish colors, I will paint them up and sell them. And they do really well for us. They're just, I don't know, really cute to put on a stack of books or something similar. Next, we have these adorable little kitties. These are Home Co, I do believe. Still have the sticker on them, but they're super cute. These we have, I've mentioned before how we have some galvanized cubbies in the one room, and we like to put little things in each of the cubbies, and there's probably 50 to 60 cubbies on this thing, and those kitties will probably go in there, probably along with these, which are adorable. We do really well selling these measuring cups that are like decor like this, but this, I know this is more fall colors and kind of fall-y with the sunflower, but I think these will go right away. They're super cute. And along those lines, I got some little mason salt and pepper shakers. We do really well with ones that are on the more unique side and a little bit different. Those will go well because they're really farmhousey. I love this. I don't know why, but I had to get it. This will just get cleaned up and put out as is. And the same with this. I don't remember, guys, like I said, I thought I moved everything and packed everything away. But this is going to go out as is. I like the wood tone color. It doesn't have that orangey in it. And this is cast iron, and it is so amazing. You can see my coffee bar. I'm not going to do anything to this either. We're just going to wash this up and put it out. It's absolutely amazing and heavy and everything. We did pick up a couple of flannels in larger sizes because we are so low on them. I know we weren't going to do too much with them after the new year, but we've had such a run of them lately that we needed some bigger sizes, and we could not pass up these amazing colors. I had a call come in. Sorry about that. Let me get some of this big stuff done. Next up is this mirror, and it has the different, this is just going to get painted up, and this will get put, it was painted brown already. I'm like looking at it closer, and I didn't notice that. I thought it was wood tone, but that's going to get a good paint job and put out. We grabbed some, that's just the bottom. It popped up. Just some bird cages. These, we just bought some bird nests that Katie did a live on Facebook, so you can see them there. Those will probably get put in those. And this is actually two towel racks, wine racks slash rolling pin displays. These are going to go out as is. They're just, like I said, it's two of them. They were just kind of together, and I grabbed them both because, as I've mentioned before, we style these up with our rolling pins and like Turkish towels and whatnot, and they sell every single time. Next up is this jar with a wood lid. Wood lid will get painted, and then I think I'm going to do why can't I think of the word, where I'm going to take some etch. I'm going to etch it and put like treats or something on the side. I haven't decided what's going to go on the side yet, but that'll get all beautified. And this is going to go out as is. The wood tone on this is spectacular. And who doesn't love a good paw print treat jar? This guy, this fat little chicken, will probably go in a window as well. He was too cute. Couldn't pass him up. This was a no-brainer. Katie had spied him in the store before I did and came running with him. And then we hit, let me go through the rest of this. Look at this. Do you see that on there? Oh, it's so pretty. The silver plated, so we've got all this beautiful tarnish on there. That is just, I love it. I love it. We hit the piggy jackpot, you guys. This is resin, and he's just gonna go out as is. He's pretty good. He doesn't need anything done to him. These two resin piggies may get a paint job. I don't like them as is, and I'm thinking if they were more cement looking, they would be better. So these guys will probably get painted. This little guy is cement, and I love him. He's going to go out as is. He's from Creative Co-op, which is a great place to order stuff from. I love them. But he is spectacular. Took his little feetsies off. And then, almost done here, guys. We've got, this has got a chip, so Katie gets to keep this one. Hobnail Fenton. And again, it's got a chip, and I didn't see it when we grabbed it. But Katie's got a good collection. In fact, you can see her cat's eating out of it already. Last but not least is a set of 2 bowls with little birds on them. How amazing is that? These are going to get nothing done to them, cleaned up and put out. And as far as what my favorite item is from this haul, I would have to say it's that large bunny or these bowls. I'm in love with them. So what's your favorite item? And thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, and share if you haven't already. And we'll see you all next time. Bye.